Assalamualaikum, dear viewers. Inshallah, today I will recycle and reuse an old clock that is broken, and I will make it into a beautiful art frame that has a little flower on the top. So let's get started. First, what we need, as you can see here, is an old clock, of course, and we need to be able to open the top and attach a little like white piece of paper on the top and attach the plastic covering on the top once again. Okay, let's firmly do that. Then we are going to take some paint, a paintbrush, and some water. So here I opened the tray, and now I'm going to, let's use the water again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some colors with my paintbrush as the white paint, the vermilion, so this is vermilion paint, and this is the brilliant red paint, and this is the white paint. This is all acrylic color from a big set. Okay, so let's get started with painting. First, we'll take our clock and color the border and paint the border with vermilion, as you can see. So here's the vermilion paint, and let's put it on our paintbrush and start painting. It's a really nice color, and if you see, at first it might seem a little transparent and the color might not come as good because of the plastic, the transparent plastic, almost transparent, but at the end when it dries out it will become better, so you don't have to really redo the whole thing again. If you just want to trace a little more, if you just want to do a part again, then that is totally fine to seem okay. Okay, so we're gonna paint it and paint and paint and paint. And I took the white paint here. Then I'm gonna take a new paintbrush. This is a pointy one and not so thick. This is very thin and pointy. Then I'm gonna take some paint on that white, so take some paint on that paintbrush, sorry. Then I'm going to take my paintbrush. Then I'm going to draw or paint, sorry, a flower or some design almost. It might not seem too good because my hand is wobbling, but at the end, you don't have to attach flowers. You can also design just some dots, some random dots, just like I have done right here. Now all we need is a round plate or something that will help us trace a round circle, a pair of scissors, a pen, and a blank piece of paper. So first what we want to do is take the plate or round item, trace it again and just fix that. Perfect. Then we want to take our pair of scissors and cut out the circle. Then what we want to do with that circle is cut a spiral. Then what you can do is take the end right here, this one right here, and kind of rotate it and spin. Now as you can see I'm spinning, but after I spun it, I actually kind of let it go loose. And then we want to tape it or glue it down right here onto this circle. Kind of let it go, let it loose, then at the very end attach. Perfect, there we go. Now as you can see, I have taken the flower. Anyways, we're going to attach the flower onto the clock firmly. As you can see, it's a very nice rose. We attached it with tape. And now here is our final result. The flower that you can see in the middle is just as an example. We're not actually going to put that in there. You can put your own art designs and whatever you want in that. But this is a nice photo frame.